The BC Metal Gazebo was sold at Menards. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number KGS286YU. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 10 square and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are slim square frame posts, arched frame with vertical bars around top perimeter of gazebo. The replacement canopy attaches by corner and side pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the BC Metal Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email. We're here to help.